if you're not having to do those mindless or mentally exhausting tasks.
It relates back to a book that several of us on my team just read called The Experience Mindset by Tiffani Bova. And it really looks at the intersection between the customer experience and the employee experience and how important that intersection is. So often we look at making things easier for customers to make their experience wow, but that wow lands on the shoulders of employees and they're doing things that are taxing and they're no longer want to stay with your company. So at the expense of customers being wowed, we're now making our employees' jobs harder or more difficult. So I see this as such a great tool, not only to help, obviously customers will benefit from things that we're doing with an AI, but your employees benefit from this.
I think that is so well said, because so when you talk about some of the benefits that AI can potentially get you, obviously the first one is just like efficiency, expense reduction, those sorts of things, right? We get that. That's kind of the main thing. The other one that you were saying is customer experience. It can make the customer experience better because you're more proactive with communication. You're able to stay on top of, project updates, those sorts of things. But then to your point here, employee experience as well, because if you're not having to do those mindless or mentally exhausting tasks anymore, you can focus on the things you actually want to do. Well, then you're going to have less burnout. You're going to have less turnover as an organization, and thus you're going to save on training and talent acquisition costs as well.